talks with Southern Rail tomorrow in an attempt to resolve the ongoing dispute over driver-only trains. But the conductors' union, the RMT, is accusing the company of bullying tactics after writing to its members.
Well, Southern says it's just a letter from employer to employee urging them to stop Wednesday's planned strike, which they describe as pointless. Today, businesses in Eastbourne took part in a protest against the latest industrial action. Bryony Williams has more.
As these business leaders in Eastbourne protest against more anticipated disruption on the trains, there may be some hope for long-suffering Southern Rail passengers this week. The train drivers' union, ASLEF, aims to hold talks with Southern bosses tomorrow to try and resolve the dispute over driver-only trains. But the 10-month argument has already left some businesses at breaking point.
It has been devastating for our business. We run a small independent cafe right on the concourse of the station, which means we are very much dependent on the regular trade, on the commuters, which we're losing. During last year, we had to actually get rid of half of our staff. We were doing really, really well. It was all picking up. And now we are about to celebrate our 3rd anniversary in May, and that is if we survive.
In the business community, if we have a dispute, if we don't agree on something, we sit around a table and we resolve it. Why the unions, the train company cannot do that is quite beyond me. No one down here can actually understand why that's the case.
But it seems like the row between Southern and the RMT has worsened. Southern sent its staff a letter urging them not to strike, saying if they do, it may be a breach of contract and it could apply additional sanctions, and employees should think very carefully about the decision to strike.
It's intimidation and it's threats, and it's not specific, but it's directed at individuals, mentioning sanctions. Never since the miners' strike, a group of workers had to endure the intimidation, the bullying, the threats that my members are having to endure.
The RMT union is not involved with any negotiations this week, so it looks like any final agreement could still be a long way off. Bryony Williams, BBC South East Today.
Well, the time now, it's just gone 20.